Yes, yes.
Be honest, it's okay, you can be honest.
Yes, especially by my mom, you know, I think that without pressure, I wouldn't be where I am today because pressure to me is like gas for a car, you know, it's a fuel that drives me. You know, it's positive pressure though. I've been pressured from a very young age. I've become used to it, and that's what kind of motivates me.
Okay, so you and your mom, you're close?
Yes, me and my parents, but especially my mom. Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Mom is boy, that's fine. That's perfectly fine.
Yes.
Now, what's next for Akeem Smith?
Well, I've been awarded this year. I was just awarded last year for this year to go to Brazil on a scholarship to the University of Sao Paulo to study medicine. But I've been at UE. You know, I'm very comfortable there. Medicine is very good at UE, you know, on an international level. Don't let anyone tell you anything. You know, UE is a very good school, and I'm currently trying to get actively involved in aviation. The Aviation Club of Jamaica, I'm trying to incorporate that with the president to have it set up at UE. So,
have it set up at UE?
Yes.
But isn't the Aviation Club something that you started at Arden, I think? You had somehow been integral.
Yeah, I was an integral part of it. That's what has given me this idea to bring it to a university tertiary level.
Okay, so after medicine is aviation then?
I'll try to start it while doing medicine, but so much more paying attention to medicine more than anything.
Okay. All right, well, it's tradition here on the road to success to ask the current affairs question.
Okay.
Okay? All right, our current affairs question today is, what are your views on Sunday horse racing?
Sunday horse racing.
Yes.
The key to that question is it's horse racing, which is gambling, and it's on a Sunday. I believe it has religious aspects to it because just as much as a Christian is a S-Day, you just as those who worship on Sunday. So I think that it's a bit unethical to have horse racing on a religious day such as Sunday.
Okay. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining us, Akeem.
All right,
fantastic having you here, I tell you. I am listening to all of this and I am truly inspired, I really am, and I hope you've inspired, well, I know you've inspired our viewers today, and I hope you continue to make your loved ones and yourself proud just achieving your goals.
All right.
All right. And thank you, viewers, for watching us. Our candidate this morning was Akeem Smith, a student of medicine at the University of the West Indies, who is clearly on the road to success. I'm Anita Costa. Stay with us. There's more CBM at Sunrise after the break.